This 21st century, sabi nila, it's information age. Pero I beg to disagree. It's misinformation age. Maraming tao ngayon, hindi mo alam kung tama ba yung kinukonsume natin sa internet, sa Facebook, sa social media, and even sa traditional news. Kaya sa akin, if you want to be successful, read, research, and definitely have mentors. Meron kang mentor sa business mo, meron kang mentor sa parenting mo, meron kang mentor sa marriage mo, and definitely, dapat meron kang spiritual mentor. Sabi nga nila, tell me who your friends are and I will tell you who you are. Sumama ka sa 4 or 5 mahilig mag-coffee, definitely magiging coffee lover ka rin a week, 2 weeks, or a month. So, sumama ka sa mga hilig mag-basketball, 5 may hilig mag-basketball, definitely pang-6 ka. Sumama ka sa gusto maging successful, yung may mga dreams, aspirations sa buhay, definitely, ikaw na yung next. Ikaw na yung next na magiging successful. So be careful, be watchful, be cautious sa mga nakakasama mo because you are the product of your environment.